Hello student, this is the solution video. Class 6 subject geography chapter 4 maps. So let's start. First, answer the following question briefly. Question A, what are the three components of a map? तो जैसा कि आप लोग जानते ही हैं, the three components of maps are distance, direction and symbol. Answer is the three component of map are distance, direction, symbol. What are the four cardinal directions? The four cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. Question C, what do you mean by the term the scale of the map? Answer is C, the term the scale of map means the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Now question D, how are maps more helpful than a globe? Maps provide more information than a globe. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as whole, but when we want to study only a part of the earth as about country or a state, globe is of little help. In such a situation only maps are useful. Now question is distinguish between a map and plan. Difference between map and plan. Map, we can study a part or whole of the earth with the help of map. Plan, a plan is detail of drawing of a small area. Map, a map contain a lot of information. Plan, in plan detail are given in the form of symbol. Map, a map shows only the very important feature of the earth. A plan can show the length and the breadth. Now question F, which may provide detailed information. A thematic map provides detailed information. Now question G, how do symbols help in reading map? Symbols are important part of map. They give a lot of information in limited space. With the use of symbol, maps can be drawn easily and are simple to read. Even if you don't know the language of an area and therefore cannot ask someone for direction, we can collect information from the map with the help of symbol. Now next question, take the correct answer. First A, map showing distribution of forest are first physical map, second thematic map, third political map. Answer is second is correct. Answer second is correct, thematic map. Now question B, the blue color is used for showing first water bodies, second mountain, third plains. Answer first is correct, water bodies. C, a compass is used first to show symbols, to find the main direction, to measure the distance. Answer C is correct, to find the main direction. Question D, a scale is necessary first for a map, for a sketch, for symbol. Answer first is correct, for a map. Thank you student.